Using non-genuine turbochargers it is the risk of a failure. And when a turbocharger fails, then you most likely you have a bigger problem in the engine. Add up the parts costs, the labor charges, the lost time, and all the problems that come with it, the problems you have to deal facing the customer, a disappointed customer, a disappointed mechanic. Everybody tries to blame the other party. This is something that we don't want to deal with.
You can have 2 to 3 turbos changes for one genuine. Now if you do the mathematics, you will quickly see that it's better to fit a genuine turbo from the beginning. But unfortunately many people do not see this because they look at the short term only.
They are built in substandard facilities, so nobody can guarantee the lifetime or the life of the non-genuine turbos. That's why it's a huge risk.
The turbochargers are developed together with the engine manufacturers and then produced in a high quantity serial production. Manufacturers of copy turbochargers can only produce and sell small numbers. Therefore, they do not having the possibility to ensure the same quality in terms of material, fine-tuning and development know-how.
Holset did some research on fitting non-genuine in comparison to genuine turbochargers, and the result was that Holset is approximately 8% more efficient. If you think that a regular truck uses 30 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers and drives about 100,000 kilometers per year, then that would cost them around 2,400 euros more on fuel per year.
Focus on the quality, because this is not a brake pad that will squeal and that's the end of it. You know, this is it can be a serious issue in the engine at the end and a very big cost.
We've invested millions and millions of dollars and many years in optimizing that part for the application. They are aerodynamic components built to the same sort of specifications as a jet engine, so very tight tolerances. And if you take, for example, a compressor wheel, there will be minute differences in the design of those. In some cases, this can be fractions of a millimetre in critical areas, which ultimately on something like a line haul truck could equate to 7, 8, £1,000 per year in fuel savings.
It's very difficult, even for us, to understand whether it's genuine or not. And what we always like to tell the end customer, the mechanics, we always tell them, make sure that you are buying your Holset turbos from an authorized Holset dealer. That's the best way to guarantee that you are buying a genuine Holset turbo.